Class rep, is it visible? Class rep?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Good morning, students. We are discussing Unit 2, Equilibrium of Rigid Bodies. We are discussing Unit 2, title Equilibrium of Rigid Body in 2 dimensions. From the topics, we are discussing supports and their reactions. Today also we are going to discuss numerical problems on supports and their reactions. So recollect what we discussed previously. These are the supports. Roller support that is represented by like this. When you have to say roller, it has one vertical reaction. Because it is moving only horizontal. No. What is the purpose of support? To hold the object. To hold the object and to prevent from fall down or fell down. Okay. So if we provide roller, it can support vertically. So it has vertical reaction. See here, vertical roller support, vertical reaction, RY. R means reaction, Y means vertical direction. Okay. Then pinned support or hinged support. Pinned or hinged, no, simply connected. I told you, no, stud. The stud is wearing in the air of the woman's, no. That's called small connected. That's called pin joint or hinged support. When this is a representation of the pinned or hinged support. So it gives two reactions, horizontal reactions and vertical reactions, Rx, Ry. Rx means reaction in x direction. Ry means reaction y direction. See, initially you draw that reaction in positive side, Rx, Ry. Sometimes after finding the result, the Rx maybe goes to the left side. Okay, first initially you will draw the free body diagram for hinged support. You have to assume the reaction Rx horizontal direction, Ry in vertical direction. Okay. Then fixed support. We know we are fixing the hanger on the wall. We are fixing nail. No, nail is on the wall. That is called fixed. Strongest support. No. So it gives two reactions: horizontal, vertical, and couple moment. See here. Rx horizontal reaction, Ry vertical reaction, and M means couple moment. Students, M means couple moment. Okay. That means it can if you stand on the edge, suppose you are standing on the edge, so it is started to turning, no, so it opposes, the support will oppose. Okay, so these are so when simply support means just resting, just the one object resting on the another one. Okay, that's called simple supports. Simple support representation like this. When you say simply support, it has one vertical reactions. Okay, Y, that is Ry, reaction in Y direction. Suppose the point is given, so you have to clear. I think you have got the points. These are different. These are the supports we are using in our daily life. Sir, what's the roller support? Yeah, you use in the computer table. See your computer table. Sometimes washing machine, on the bottom of the washing machine, 4 roller is there. Okay, the scatting, the pinned joint. We are connected. No, sometimes we are not fixing, connected. That's called pin joint or hinged support. And the fixed support, we are using fixing the many thing on the wall, on the roof. And simple support, just holding. We are putting a desktop, laptop on the table. No, that's simple support. See, what are we discussing any subject, we are using in the daily life. If you understand the daily life concept, the subject very interest. Oh yes, we are studying theoretically, but we are seeing lively on the life, on day by day life. Okay. So whenever you say support, the corresponding reactions. Okay, this is called reactions, support reactions. Okay. Then these are the loads. Generally, these are the loads acting on the body. These are 3 types of load is acting. Concentrated load. Okay. If suppose you are standing on the bridge, road bridge, that's called point load. You are standing. Suppose many persons standing, no, but 3 persons, B, C, D, here, B, C, D. So 3 point load. Suppose the same person like this, uniform distributed load. Same persons standing along the full length. Suppose 10 kg boy continuously standing around over 15 students, 50 students, same weight. This is called uniform distributed load. So students, point load, that is capital W. The uniform distributed small w, that unit Newton per meter. That is a running, no? The load is running, no? It's a continuous, so that's why Newton per meter. See, load unit Newton, point load unit Newton. The uniform distributed Newton per meter, because along the length, no, that is a need per meter. So when my last class also I explained, when UDL is acting, you convert point load. Students, this UDL, you have to convert point load. How do you convert point load? Rectangular area. Consider the load, consider the rectangular area. What is rectangular area? Length into height. So L into small w. So it becomes point load. The point load, where it is acting on the beam? Middle, center of the rectangle. Students, store your brain. Okay, when UDL is acting, uniform distributed acting, they convert point load W into L. It is acted at the middle of the rectangle. That is L by 2, L by 2. See here, the 6 meter, the load is in a 5 Newton per meter. So I want to convert point load. How do you convert point load? 6 meter into 5 Newton per meter. Meter cancel. So 6 into 5, 30. 30 Newton. Where it is acting? Middle of the 6 meter. That is 3 meter distance. Okay, you have to, any UDL is acting, you have to convert point load like this. Suppose uniform varying load. See here, uniform varying load. The load is varying from right is minimum, maximum left. Sometimes left is minimum, right. These two are also, the two diagram also uniform varying load. You see the shape, triangle shape, no? So what is that for the point load? Triangular area. Half into base into height. So half into base L, height small w. So L means meter, no? Newton per meter, meter cancel. So it becomes load, W L by 2. Where it is acting? Middle of the triangle. Students, middle of the triangle. What is the middle of the triangle? This is a standard formula. When triangle like this, the middle is L by 3 from left side. The balance 2L by 3. Suppose this orientation, from the left 2L by 3, so balance L by 3. So you have to decide which triangle the load is given. Suppose this load is given, see the second bottom diagram. The center 2L by 3, L by 3. Suppose this one given, the point load half into L into W, where it is acting? L by 3 distance. See here, first diagram. Students, he has to convert point load. Any UDL acting, you have to consider point load. Rectangular concept. Suppose UVL, uniformly varying load is acting, consider triangular concept. Okay. Then we are discussing problems. Now see these problems. Darshini, can you read the question? Darshini, can you read the question? Madhuban, can you read the question? Madhuban.
Yes, sir. A beam AB of span 3 meter overhanging on both sides is loaded as shown in figure. Determine the reactions at the supports A and B.
Okay. You see the support. Support, they mention A and B. They mention. So when you say the support means the IRM are given automatically A and B, the blue color. So that is called reaction, no? Support always give bottom side. So RA, RB. They give mentioned support. So they given diagram RA, RB. Then overhanging. What is overhanging? Some portion beyond the support. See here, A to E. A to E is overhanging. Because support at A, some portion beyond the support. See here, BC. B is the support. The C is the overhanging. This is called overhanging beam. Okay. Then the load is what is at E point. 1 kilometer is acting. And A to D. See here, A to D, UDL. Students, UDL, A to D, UDL. C, students, B to C, UDL. I told you, no, any UDL is acting, you convert point load first. So what is our aim? Determine the reaction at support A and B. So RA, RB equal to question mark. So in this diagram, 1 kilonewton acting at the E point, that is point load. 3 kilonewton acting at another point load. But A to D, UDL, B to C, UDL. So I want to convert point load. So UDL, no, UDL you have to consider as a rectangular concept. What is a rectangular concept? 2 kilonewton per meter into 2 meter. So 2 into 2, 4 kilonewton. The meter cancel. Where it is acting? Students, middle of the 2 meter. See here, I divided 2 meter divided into 1 meter, 1 meter. Therefore, 4 kN acting. At F point, I introduced F point. Okay, UDL is acting. This is a concept for solving problem. Any UDL acting, convert point load. How do you convert point? A rectangular concept. So 2 kilonewton per meter into 2 meter, 4 kilonewton, acting at the middle of the 2 meter. I divided. See here, BC 1 kilonewton. The load is 1 kilonewton, distance also 1 meter. So 1 kilonewton per meter into 1 meter, 1 kilonewton. Where it is acting? Middle of 1 meter. What is the middle of 1 meter? 0.5 meter, see here. 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter. Okay, this is the first step. This is called a free body diagram. So we know this is a non-concurrent. Students, this is a non-concurrent. Why you say non-concurrent? Acting at a different points. Acting at a different point. This is called rigid body. Rigid body. So what is equilibrium of rigid body? Summation H equal to 0, summation V equal to 0, summation M equal to 0. Summation H, horizontal force must be 0. Vertical, all vertical must be 0. Moment, M means net moment with respect to reference point 0. So here there is no horizontal force. See, students, no horizontal force. So you have to leave the summation H. So no horizontal force. So you have to leave summation H 0. No need use. Just write okay 0. Now see the vertical force. What is the vertical? Positive. Vertical upward direction positive. Vertical downward direction negative. So RA plus RB minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1. See here. RA plus RB. Because vertical upward no. Positive y direction. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1. Equal to 0. Students, equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1, minus 4, 5. 5 minus 3, 8. So 9. So RA plus RB equal to 9. Equation 1. Now, moment. I told you, students, if you are taking a moment, you have to choose the reference point. Students, you have to choose the reference point for moment. So which is the reference point? Here A and B is a support. No, for this type of problem, you have to choose support reference point. So I can choose A or B. So I am choosing here A. So that's why I am rewriting. See here, taking moment with respect to A, MA equal to 0. That means with respect to A, you take moment. Students, take moment, clockwise moment, anti-clockwise moment. So before going to take moment, you have to identify which forces are not giving moment. Which forces are not giving moment? Any force acting reference point. Any force acting reference point or comes to reference point or goes for reference point. Here we have chosen A is the reference point. No, so at A. So which force is acting? RA is acting. So the RA does not give moment. Students, RA does not give moment. What is the moment? Force into perpendicular distance. Moment means force into perpendicular distance. There is a two types of moment, clockwise, anti-clockwise. How do you identify clockwise, anti-clockwise? You see the arrow mark. Now I am taking moment with respect to you. Therefore, RA does not give moment. So neglect RA. Consider other forces. So first I am considering RB. See, RB is perpendicular now with respect to AB. So what is the distance? What is the distance? 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter. So RB into 3 meter, anti-clockwise minus. Students, anti-clockwise minus. Then come to F point. F is 4 kilonewton. So clockwise, 4 into 1. Clockwise plus 4 into 1. Then 3 into 2. See here, 3 into 2. 2 means 1 plus 1. No, A. See, reference point A. The D is in here. What is A to D? 1 plus 1, 2. So 3 into 2 clockwise. Then see the G point. G point 1 kilonewton. No? What is the total distance? 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter plus 0.5. Therefore 3.5. So 1 into 3.5 clockwise. Now see the E point. Students, E point. What is the distance from A? 1.5. No? Just to rotate. What is anti-clockwise? No? 1 into 1.5. Anti-clockwise. So from with respect to anti-clockwise, there's a minus equal to 0. So 4 into 1, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 3.5, 3.5. 1 into 3. After simplification, you will get that is plus 12. That plus 2 goes to right side. Minus. Minus minus cancel. 3 RB 12. What is RB? 12 by 3, 4 kilonewton. So we got RB. So already we have equation 1. RA plus RB 9. Therefore, RA plus RB 9. RA plus 4 equal to 9. So RA 5. Very simple. But here see the Y minus Y plus. Very simple question, no? But it will look like something big. But it's actually very simple. If you are understanding, it's very simple. Here 2 EDL. So I converted 2 into 2 kilometer, 2 kilometer per meter, 2 meter to 4 kilometer acting at the middle of the 2 meter. See here. You got introduced F point because it's a fine load. No, I introduced it. Similarly here, BC UDL, 1 kilonewton into 1 meter. 1 kilometer per meter into 1 meter. Meter per cancer, therefore 1 kilometer. Where it is acting middle of the 1 meter. Then you have to use equilibrium equation. It's a non-concurrent. So apply all the concept. There is no horizontal force. Leave it. Vertical force, odd vertical force. So you know vertical upward, positive, downward, minus, equal to 0. Nidis, are you understand? Nidis? Namala Sagat.
Mic problems. Mic problems. Sir.
Namala Sagat, are you understand? Namala Sagat.
Yes, sir. Understood. Sir.
Basil Jaji. Basil Jaji. Madhuban. Madhuban.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Are you understand?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Why we are not considering RA in the moment taking? Why we are not considering RA? Here everything we consider, no? Why we are not considering RA, reaction at TA, for taking moment? Uday Kumar?
Sir.
Why we are not considering RA for taking moment? Any one of you? Any one of you?
Sir, it is not having perpendicular.
It is acting reference point, yeah. Uday Kumar, you are watching or what are doing?
Yes, sir. Watching, sir.
I am telling no. When you are taking moment, choose the reference point. Okay, here A is the reference point. Then after selecting reference point, you have to identify which forces are not giving moment.
Okay.
Which forces are not giving moment? Any force acting reference point, or any force comes to reference point. Here is RA is acting reference point, so RA does not give moment. Last, but you have to watch here. You are the leader, no? You should give answer, proper answer. So the RA does not give moment. Okay. So other forces, RB into 3 meter minus anti-clockwise, no, minus. So 4 into 1 clockwise, 3 into 2, 1 into 3.5. Why 3.5? From A to G. A to G, what is the distance? 3.5. Then 1 into 1.5. Anti-clockwise, no. With respect to you, the 1 into anti-clockwise. So 1 into 1 point minus. So we know the concept. Now this either come to next problem. Vineet, are you understand? Vineet? Vineet? Salman? 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 Namala Sagat option. Namala Sagat?
Yes, sir.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Read this question. Read this question. Second question.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Figure shows as beam ABCD simply supported on a hinged support at A and at D on a roller coaster support inclined at 45 degrees with the vertical. Determine the horizontal and vertical components of reactions at support A. Show clearly the direction as well as the magnitude of the resultant reaction at A.
So in this question, they mentioned A is the hinged support. See the shape. See the graphical representation. No, it's a hinged support. D is they mention roller support. The roller is inclined with this vertical 45 degree. 45 degree, no? They mentioned the given diagram. See at A is the hinged, D is the roller. Roller inclined. So hinged having two reactions. So I have drawn the RAX, RAY. RAX, RAY. Okay. Then RD, no, the reaction at D. Roller having only one reaction. Roller support having only one reaction. Therefore, it's incline, no? I told you anything incline, you must convert XY direction. Students, anything incline, you must convert two direction. So your theta is with vertical. So vertical component RD cos 45. See here, RD cos 45. RD sin 45. See the arrow mark. RD goes to which direction? RD goes to second quadrant, no? RD goes to second quadrant. What is second quadrant? X minus Y plus. Therefore, the theta here vertical, theta is Y axis. That is Y is the common cos. So RD cos 45, RD sin 45. And the A is a hinged support. So two reaction, RAX, RAY. And C point. C point is 6 kN point load. C equivalent at C point 6 kN point load. At the B point, students, at the B point, 9 kilonewton meter. That is called a coupled moment. That is called a coupled moment. Okay. So we clearly drawn the free body. This is a free body diagram. So you have to use equilibrium equation. Summation of horizontal force equal to 0. Summation of vertical force equal to 0. Summation of M equal to 0. See here, horizontal forces. What are the horizontal forces? RAX. Students, RAX goes to the positive. We have to initially assume the RAX positive, RAY also positive. So RAX plus RAX. See here, RAX. Then RD sin 45 minus. It goes left side, no? Minus RD sin 45. Only two horizontal forces equal to 0. So equation 1. Now equation 2. Summation of V equal to 0. What are the vertical direction? RAY plus RD cos 45 minus 6. See here, RAY plus RD cos 45 minus 6 equal to 0. I am not considering 9 kN. See, this is a rotation moment. Students, 9 kN is moments. We will take a moment only consider. 9 kN, we will take a moment only consider. It's not a force. We are adding forces, vertical direction. No. So vertical direction RAY, RD cos 45 minus 6 equal to 0. Now, third equation. What is third equation? Summation M equal to 0. I told you, we will take a moment. You have to choose reference point. Which reference point you have to choose? Here two reference point is there. A and D. Because the support is there. A and D is a support. So I am choosing A is the reference point. Therefore, I am rewriting summation of MA equal to 0. I am rewriting equation MA equal to, that means moment with respect to A must be 0. Uday Kumar, after selecting a reference point, you have to identify which forces are not giving moment. Can you tell me which forces are not giving moment from the diagram? Which forces are not giving moment? Can you tell me, Uday Kumar? Arun Kumar, which forces are not giving moment? Any one of you?
RAY
RAY?
does not give moment.
Then? Only one.
RAX, sir.
Then?
And
RD sin.
Yes, tell confidently. You have to tell confidently.
RD
Tell.
sin 45 degree.
Why RD sin 45 not giving moment? Tell me, correct. Why is not giving moment?
Force is not there, sir.
It goes to reference point. See the arrow mark here, but the arrow mark goes to reference point. Students, I am repeatedly telling, while taking moment, you have to first identify which forces are not giving moment. How do you identify? Any forces goes to reference point. That forces are not giving moment. You see the A point. At A point, RAX acting, RAY acting. And RD sin 45 here, but the arrow mark, no, line of action. This is called line of action. It goes to along A point. Therefore, the RD sin 45 also not giving moment. Store your brain. Store your brain. Okay. RAX, RAY, RD sin 45 not giving moment. Therefore, what are the other forces moment? Is here RD cos 45. Where is the reference point? A is the reference point. What is the distance? 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 9 meter. RD cos 45. With respect to A is rotating anti-clockwise. No. How do you identify anti-clockwise? I already told you. Put your thumb finger at A. Thumb finger at A. That is index finger at RD cos 45. Just to rotate compass. RD cos 45 anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means minus RD cos 45 into 9. Distance no reference point 9. And see 6 kilonewton. It is a clockwise. How do you say clockwise? It's a rotate clockwise. See is clockwise. 6 into what is the distance from A? 3 plus 3, 6 meter. So 6 into 6. Okay. Then this is called, I told you, no, 9 kilometer couple moment. Students, whenever couple moment given, you will take a moment only consider. Already the moment will be given. So this is a clockwise moment or anti-clockwise moment? Uday Kumar, 9 kilometer is a clockwise or anti-clockwise? With respect to A, with respect to A.
Clockwise, sir.
So clockwise is plus. So just add plus 9 enough. Don't add a distance. Because already is a moment only given. We are taking moment with respect to A, no? So with respect is clockwise. So plus 9. Okay. Therefore, 6 into 6, 36 plus y plus 9. 9 is a moment already given. So 45. Therefore, after it goes to this minus 45, cancel it. Therefore, RD equal to 7.70 kilonewton after simplification. So we have already equation 2. What is equation 2 here? RAY plus RD cos 45 equal to 6. So we got RD now. Therefore, apply in the equation 2. The final equation RAY equal to 1 kilonewton. Already we have equation 1. See here, equation 1. We have RAX minus RD sin 45. Again, apply RD in the equation 1. See here, RD. Therefore, in equation 1, RAX. The equation 1, RAX finally. Students, it reaction no, on the hinge is about 2 reactions. So I want net reaction. I want net reaction. See here, RAX, RAY. So I want RA, net reaction. That is resultant reaction. RA means resultant reaction at A. We know resultant formula, no? I am replacing RAX, RAY. We know therefore summation H square, summation V square, RAX square plus RAY square. So RAX, we know 5, RAY1, 1 square. So 5.5 kilonewton. That is resultant reaction. That angle we want know, tan theta equal to RAY divided by RAX. 1 divided by 11 point. See the diagram. Here RD we calculated. RD is 7.07. You can write RD, that is 7.70 cos 45, RD 7.0 sin 45, the horizontal direction. No need. It's only roller support, no? Okay. Uday Kumar, understand now?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
What do you understand? Tell me. From the figure you can tell me. Directly you can tell. Step by step you can tell me. This is the diagram. From starting from.
Starting, sir, RAX force acting on the.
Sir, I am telling now. See, just see that A is the hinged support. So therefore, 2 reaction. RAX, RAY. At D is the roller support. The roller is inclined. Therefore, it is inclined with the vertical. So with the vertical is 45 degree. Therefore, RD cos 45. The vertical versus RD sin 45. Because RD goes to second quadrant. Therefore, RD sin 45 left side. Okay, so we are assuming the equilibrium equation. Summation H0, summation V0, summation M0, summation H, RAX positive minus RD sin 45 equal to 0, equation 1. Then summation V equal to 0, RAY, R plus RD cos 45 minus 6 equal to 0. That is equation 2. Okay, taking moment. I am choosing reference point A. For which force is not giving moment? Any force comes to reference point. Which force comes? What are the force comes to reference point? RAX, RAY, RD sin 45. So it does not give moment because it goes to the directly A or away from the A. But the line of action along the A point. So what are the forces giving moment? RD cos 45 into 9, anti-clockwise, minus 6 into 6 clockwise. This is a couple moment. The already moment only given. With respect to is a clockwise rotation. That for plus 9 enough. Uday Kumar, you have to explain like this, yeah. Are you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Darshini, are you there? Darshini? Darshini? Madhuvan? Madhu? Nitish? Vineet? Vineet? Saji, Basil Jaji, Emmanuel Gujur. Okay. Arun Kumar, understand? Arun Kumar?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Salman, are you there? Namala Sagat.
சார் சல்மான் வரல, நிதிஷ் வரல சார் இன்னைக்கு.
Where is Namala Sagat?
Yes, sir.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very simple, yeah. See, after rather very simple. We are doing, if you are if you are bright students, no, this is a very simple question. Just adding multiplication. What you are doing, whether it is a circuit or something, just adding, yeah, multiplication, yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, you can open your mind, freely open your mind, see the diagrams. Very simple. Now last question. See, this is two reaction, no? RA at A is the RAX, RAY, no? That's why we want the result of reaction. See, this RD is only roller. Roller support only one reaction. So, okay, that's why the final diagram I mean inclined 7 point. Okay, so it's the two reaction, no? So resultant reaction. That's why I have used the resultant formula here. RA square to RX plus RAY square. The direction also we know tan theta RAY divided RX. Now read the question. Namala Sagat, read the question.
A beam has hinged support at A and roller support at B as shown in figure. The beam is subjected to loads as shown. Determine analytically the reactions at A and B.
See, the roller given, roller is inclined again. So roller given is only one reaction, yeah. So the reaction goes to along the direction B. The angle given with respect to vertical 30, no. Therefore, I have replaced RB cos 30, RB sin 30. See, theta which axis, that is cos. Students, theta which axis, guys? That is the cos. If not that direction, other direction, sin. Here theta vertical axis, y axis, that is RB cos 30. Why RB is inclined? Roller having only one reaction. Then RB sin 30. They mentioned A is a hinged support. See the A point. So two reaction, no? Therefore, RAY, RAX. Okay. Now there is a 12 km incline. See the 12 km. It goes to the fourth quadrant. Students, fourth quadrant. What is the fourth quadrant? X positive, Y negative. 12 cos 30, X direction, positive direction. 12 sin 30, vertical direction. No? Fourth quadrant, no? That's why I replace here. See here, 12 cos 30, 12 sin 30. Students, anything inclined, you must convert X direction, Y direction based on the resolution of forces. We discussed already. Resolving of forces, first quadrant, second quadrant, cos, sin, everything I explained. Okay. See the arrow mark. The 12 km goes to which direction? Fourth quadrant, theta X axis. Therefore, X positive, 12 cos 30, 12 sin 30, vertical downward. The arrow mark. So we draw the free body diagram. Here the hinged support A, therefore RAX, RAY. The roller is inclined. The given mention the roller is only one reaction. So it is go to the RB. That is I taken RB. It goes to the B point. So with it I know where we given Y axis. Therefore RA resolved RB cos 30, RB sin 30. What are the forces we resolve? No, the 3 km is acting. So no need. There is a point load also. Now we know equilibrium equation. Summation H0, summation V0, summation F0. So I am using first equation. Summation H0. What are the horizontal direction? Namala Sagat, what are the horizontal direction forces? Tell me. What are horizontal force reactions? Horizontal forces. Horizontal forces. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir, RAX
Very good. Then.
minus RB sin 30
Very good. Very good. Then.
plus 3 plus 12 cos 30.
Very good. Excellent. 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 See the horizontal direction. RAX plus no RAX plus 12 cos 30 plus minus RB sin 30. Left side no minus RB sin. Then plus 3. See the 3 is there, but it's a horizontal direction, no? Okay. Therefore, see here. RAX minus RB sin 30 plus 3 plus 12 cos 30 equal to 0. So after simplification, we got equation. RAX minus sin 30 0.5, no, 0.5 RB. It goes to minus 13.39, equation 1. So what are the vertical forces? See the vertical forces. Namala Sagi, tell me, what are the vertical forces?
RAY,
Hmm.
RAY plus RB cos 30
Hmm.
minus 12 sin 30
Then
plus 9
plus 9 or minus 9?
minus 9 minus
Vertical downward, no?
vertical
Okay,
downward.
therefore, yeah. RAY plus RB cos 30 minus 12 minus 9 equal to 0. After simplification, you will get equation 2. Then third equation. What is third equation? Equilibrium equation. Summation of m equal to 0. So I told you, choose the reference point. Which is the reference point? You get support. Where is the support? At A point and B point. So I am taking support A. Okay. Therefore, I have rewritten summation of m equal to 0. Uday Kumar, can you tell me which forces are not giving moment? Which forces are not giving moment? Tell me now.
RAY, sir. And RB cos 30 degrees, sir. RB cos 30 degrees, sir.
Why? What is the condition for not giving moment? Any forces comes to the reference point. Uday Kumar,
Yes,
why
sir.
you are making confusion here? I told you any forces comes to reference point does not give moment. Tell me. You repeat the statement. Any forces comes to reference point or goes to reference point does not give moment. Repeat.
Any force go to the reference point, it does not give the.
Or comes to reference point.
Come to reference point.
Does not give moment.
Does not give moment.
If any forces, tell me,
If
any forces comes to reference point,
comes to reference point,
or acting at reference point,
or acting at reference point,
or goes from reference point,
or goes from reference point,
does not give moment.
does not give moment.
Now tell me, what are the forces comes to reference point, goes for reference point? Tell me. See the diagram.
Sir, RAY
And
RAX, sir.
tell me, RAX, RAY, then
RB cos 30 degree.
RB cos it. See the diagram, yeah.
RB sin 30 degrees, sir.
RB sin 30, yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Ennappa ni, then.
And then
12 cos 30. 12
cos 30.
but the thickness given, there is some height is given, no, but it considers a line. For diagram, I drawn the bigger diagram, but 12 cos 30 also, it goes to, the effect goes to from the reference horizontal direction, no. So 12 cos 30 does not give. Yes, Arun Kumar, understand?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Very good. Namla Sagat, understand? Namla Sagat.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So any forces, keep in your mind, while taking moment, any forces comes to reference point or acting at reference point or goes for reference point. See the A point, RAX acting does not given. RAX acting does not given. The 12 cos 30, but here, see, I must, that diagram, they say along the line A, but the thickness not given. So it gives, it goes from A, it considers, it goes from A. The acting at E point, but it's a horizontal, no. Therefore, the line of action, the effect goes to from A only. So 12 cos 30 does not give. And also RB sin 30, students, RB sin 30 here, but the arrow mark goes to here, where? A point. So RB sin 30 does not give moment. RAY does not give moment. RAX does not give moment. 12 cos 30 does not give moment. Therefore, other forces, see other forces, what is 3 kilonewton at D, students? 3 kilonewton. So I am taking moment first. RB cos 30. RB cos 30 here, no, anti-clockwise, minus RB cos 30 into 9. How 9? 3 plus 3 plus 3 from reference point. A point is reference point, no. Therefore, RB cos 30 anti-clockwise. Then 12 sin 30 clockwise. See here, 12 sin 30 into 3 meter clockwise plus. Then 9 into 6. See the AF. Why it's 6? 3 plus 3. 9 into 6. See, students, 3 is here, but our reference point A, no. From A to D, how much height? 3 meter. A perpendicular, no, with respect to A. So 3 into 3 equal to 0. So after this multiplication, you will get the RB equal to 10.392 kilonewton. So apply in equation 2. What is equation 2? Already we have written, no, RB here. Therefore, equation 2, after applying this RB here, equation 2, you will get RAY. Then already we have first equation, RAX minus 0.5 RB, equation 1. So already we know RB. So apply here. Then you will get RAX. See, students, here RAX minus, but initially we assumed positive, but the result of the value minus. So I am change the diagram again. See here, that RAY vertical upward, positive value, no, RAY. See here, RAY positive, RAX I am putting left side. Why I am putting left side? The answer gives RAX minus. So I changed. So you know, X plus X minus Y plus second quarter, no. Therefore resultant reaction. See here, resultant reaction at A. RAX square plus RAY square. R equal 10.16 kilonewton. So here, see the at A point, RAY vertical, RAX left side. So the theta I calculated resultant reaction, RA. Then angle 36.2. The roller support you calculated. Basil Jaji, you understand? Emmanuel Gujur, are you there? Emmanuel Gujur.
Yes, sir.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
You will take a moment, no? Why we are not considering RAY, RAX, RB sin 30 and 12 cos 30? Why we are not consider? We'll take a moment. Jodis, are you there? Ashwin, Sevuga Perumal,
Yes, sir.
are you understand?
Sir.
Siraj,
Yes, sir.
are you understand?
Understand, sir.
Why you are not consider? We'll take a moment. RAY, RAX, RB sin 30, 12 cos 30. Siraj. Vineet. Uday Kumar, why you are there? Not others are not replying.
I don't know, sir.